Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, and today we're going to explore a topic that's super important if you're thinking about your career or considering moving to Kuwait. The high-demand jobs that are shaping Kuwait's future. Kuwait's job market is evolving fast, and knowing where the opportunities lie can give you a serious advantage. So stay tuned because this video is packed with insights, real-world advice, and tips to help you succeed. Part 1. Understanding Kuwait's economy and job market. Kuwait's economy is traditionally known for its vast oil reserves. In fact, oil accounts for more than 50% of the country's GDP and over 90% of export revenues. But the Kuwaiti government is actively working to diversify its economy through its new Kuwait Vision 2035 plan. This ambitious plan aims to reduce dependence on oil by investing in infrastructure, technology, healthcare, finance, and renewable energy. This diversification means new industries are emerging rapidly, creating fresh demand for skilled workers. It's an exciting time to be part of Kuwait's workforce, whether you're a local or an expat. Part 2. Top high-demand jobs in Kuwait. In detail, let's talk about the specific jobs where the demand is growing, and I'll share why these roles are so important and what you need to succeed in them. 1. Oil and gas sector professionals. Despite diversification efforts, oil and gas remain a backbone of Kuwait's economy. The industry demands a wide range of specialists, from petroleum engineers to safety inspectors and project managers. For example, take Ahmed, a petroleum engineer I recently spoke with. He told me that beyond technical skills, problem-solving and adapting to new tech are critical because the industry is modernizing rapidly. So if you're considering this field, focus on advanced engineering degrees and certifications in safety and environmental management. Salaries here can be quite competitive, often ranging from $70,000 to over $120,000 annually depending on experience. 2. Healthcare professionals. Healthcare is another booming sector. Kuwait's population is growing, and with increasing life expectancy, the demand for doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and allied health professionals has skyrocketed. The government is investing billions in modernizing healthcare infrastructure, and private healthcare is also expanding. This means plenty of openings, from general practitioners to specialists like cardiologists and oncologists. Take Dr. Fatima, a surgeon working at a leading hospital in Kuwait City. She told me that while credentials matter, cultural sensitivity and communication skills are equally important for success here. 3. Construction and project management. Kuwait is in the middle of a huge construction boom. New residential, commercial, and infrastructure projects are underway to support the country's growth. Project managers, civil engineers, architects, and skilled laborers are all needed. The ability to manage timelines, budgets, and teams effectively is crucial. If you want to break into this sector, consider certifications like PMP, Project Management Professional, or degrees in civil or construction engineering. Salaries vary but can reach up to $100,000 annually. 4. IT and digital transformation roles. Technology is transforming Kuwait at an incredible pace. Smart city initiatives, digital government services, and cybersecurity efforts are all driving demand for IT specialists, software developers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts. This sector values continuous learning. Certifications from Microsoft, AWS, Cisco, or Google can significantly boost your chances. According to Gulf Business, IT jobs in Kuwait have seen a 20% growth in demand over the last 2 years, and this trend is expected to continue. Salaries typically range from $50,000 to $90,000. 5. Finance and banking professionals. Kuwait's financial sector is modernizing with fintech startups, expanding banking services, and regulatory reforms. Accountants, auditors, financial analysts, and compliance officers are in high demand. Finance professionals with CPA, ACCA, or CFA certifications are especially sought after. Part 3. Emerging sectors and future trends. Now let's look at some emerging sectors that could shape Kuwait's future job market. Renewable energy is one of the fastest growing fields. Kuwait is investing in solar energy projects as part of its sustainability goals. Data science and AI are also gaining ground, with companies eager to use big data to improve business and government services. Part 4. Practical tips for job seekers in Kuwait. So how do you stand out in such a competitive job market? Here are some tips based on real experiences from professionals in Kuwait. 1. Customize your CV and cover letter. Highlight relevant skills and tailor your application to the job description. Employers here appreciate clarity and professionalism. 2. Get relevant certifications. Whether it's PMP for project managers, medical licenses for healthcare professionals, or AWS for IT experts, certifications can be a game changer. 3. Understand local culture. Kuwait's workplace culture values respect, punctuality, and relationship building. Learning a bit of Arabic and understanding customs can make a big difference. 4. Network actively. Attend local career fairs, join professional groups on LinkedIn, and connect with industry insiders. 5. Stay updated on labor laws. Knowing your rights and the visa requirements is important, especially for expats. Part 5. Real-life success stories. To give you some inspiration, let me share a quick story about Sarah, a software developer from Jordan who moved to Kuwait 2 years ago. She started with an entry-level job but quickly gained AWS and cybersecurity certifications. Today, she's leading projects in a top IT company and mentoring new hires. Stories like Sarah's show that with the right skills and mindset, you can really thrive here. Conclusion. All right, that's a wrap on high-demand jobs in Kuwait. The key takeaway? Kuwait is full of opportunity for those willing to invest in their skills and adapt to a changing market. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more career tips and market insights, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or questions about working in Kuwait. I'd love to hear your stories or help you with any advice you need. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, your career journey is what you make of it. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep reaching for your dreams.